Hello everyone, Sam Jose from myforexmagicweb.com. Making this a small video about the USDX, US dollar index. Just the update, what's going to happen. So let's get started. This US dollar index, this is the chart. I'm going to show you how I am tracking. And for the years, let's say this one, I'm going to start from the last year, January. This is the chart I made. 4th January 2017, and this is the route I'm showing, that we're going to drop here first into this white band of these numbers 0219 and 0129. These are the two monthly numbers coming right here, and the rising TL, right? And then we're going to bounce back to this number 0698, right? And then this number is going to hold, and we will drop all the way down to 9171. That was the chart I made. Okay, looking into my crystal ball. Okay, so now watch what happened to this this chart. Okay, so I'm gonna miss a lot of charts in between. I'm just gonna show the final chart. So look, it came down exactly where the first line of this number. 0219, right? Bounced back, and it went up exactly where I said that it's gonna go, 0698, and then drop straight down to 9171. Okay, it took 8 months to fulfill my prophecy on this USDX, right? Then I made the chart that, okay, this is from the here, now what? Okay, so this was my count of Elliott wave 1, 2, 3. Then we're supposed to go up here for wave 4. What happened to this chart is this. We went there exactly as I said. Then if it is 4, then we're supposed to come down below this point, wave 3 point, for wave 5. So what happened to this chart? What happened? So we came down from wave 4, nice and clean, all the way down for wave 5, extension 127, perfect, by the book. But then what? Then we're supposed to go up for wave A of correction. So then what? This is where we were at May 8, and I think currently, as of today, we are exactly where I said that wave A will go. This is 9848 is the low, and this number is a little bit, it's a monthly number. I forgot to write this number here, but this white line here. So exactly that's where we are now. Okay, I recorded this, and then we are trying to make a turn. Now, where we're gonna go? I already have the chart and everything, and my subscribers will be giving this chart. They already did, and I did the webinar yesterday. Not yesterday, yeah, on Wednesday. Today's Thursday, right? Yeah, so I did a webinar and explained everything to my subscribers, that where we're gonna go now. Keep in mind that USDX index is like, if you're watching and if the index is going up, USD getting strong. And you have almost 8 pairs where 4 pairs where the USD is on the right hand side, like Euro USD, Pound USD, Aussie USD, New USD, and 3 pairs where the USD is on the left hand side, USD Franc, USD Yen, and USD CAD. So when USD getting strong, the pair where the USD is on the right hand side will be going down. That's what happened. Go check on your MT4. And where the USD is on the left-hand side, they will be going up. So USD CAD, USD Yen, USD Franc, they went up all this time. So if it start dropping, it will getting weaker. USDX, I'm talking about. If this index start dropping, USD will be getting weaker, and then the whole scenario will be the opposite. 4 pairs will be going to the upside, and then the 3 pairs, USD CAD, USD Yen, USD Franc, should be going to the downside. And once you establish that, and if you watch that, and then we can go and check my Magic IB system for entries in those pairs. This is how my trading is. Besides this, USDX, you can see similarly. You can say that, okay, this is the chart that I had a Euro index, for example, right? That, you know, all the way up there, and then I said, okay, start dropping already, and we will be coming down here, somewhere what 2901 area. Okay, so for that, what happened to this chart is this as of yesterday, 30th May, straight down to 2901, and now pulling back. Now what? Again, I have the chart, and it is for the subscribers. If you wish to get it, yeah, you're not gonna have to subscribe, get into the in my group, and then all the charts are uploaded on the website, and I have it, you know. So once you become a subscriber, you will get it. For example, on this chart, I'll show you a few charts, and if euro was supposed to drop, and it did, right? That means euro will be getting weaker, and it did. So once the euro start getting weaker, euro is always on the left hand side. Even with euro pound is on the left hand side. Euro USD, euro Aussie, euro yen. These are the pairs that I trade. So what happened to those pairs then? And what do I do? How do I trade if I know that this is going to happen? For example, this was the chart, and I was expecting euro weakness, and euro will get weaker, and all the pairs where the euro is on the left hand side, which is always euro is on the left hand side, they shall be going down. So based on that, I also had this euro yen chart made on 18th February that, you know, we're supposed to come down for wave 4, which is in harmony with my index chart, that, you know, euro gonna get weaker and euro yen will come here, and this is Elliott wave 4. Look what happened to this chart with Elliott wave 4. As of yesterday, we hit that area already with wave 4 target, right? Doing so, did I trade? Yeah, of course. I had trades, for example, if I probably euro yen. Is this the one? Yeah, see, and I had several, but latest one was the last week on the 25th, Friday. Look at this. You could have taken this short, you could have taken this short, any, when the blue candle goes and then turn into red candle, indicates all the way up, that's the entry. Here's the entry, here's the entry, here's the entry, here's the entry. Some give you some decent amount of pips, some just reverses and take you out at a break even. But hardly loses anything. You see, even if this one, you take this, it drops, you sit on a break even, it goes up, it takes you out, then you get in again. It drops, either you cash out a little bit or you wait, and then it takes you out again, and then you get in here again, and this take you all the way down. So here you didn't lose anything, but here you made a lot. Similarly here, you make an entry, and then even if it takes you out, then you go and make something, right? This one also. It depends on the volume and other factors, like my 20-minute chart. Okay, that's what I teach. The whole scenario I teach in my my webinars, which I do on Wednesday and Sunday. Similarly, if you go back and take a look at this based on this euro index, right? The euro yen, and obviously other pairs like what is this one? Okay, euro USD. Yeah, euro USD was this also. February I made the chart, because euro gonna get weaker, and then we supposed to have wave B here. What happened to this chart? As of yesterday, we had hit the target. Okay, from here all the way down. Doing so, did I take any trade? Yes, several ones. The latest one was, I think this is the one. No. Euro USD 25th. You see, I had taken from the top, even reverses, because I know exactly what the the bounces, the big numbers are. And then this one, I forgot to record this chart, and this is the one on the 25th. Okay, so any one of them, the short, you don't even have to take these buys. Just go short, because you know the euro USD is dropping because euro getting weaker and USD getting strong. You just saw the USD chart, index chart, right? Was going up. So Euro USD down, 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 and it came down big time. Similarly, Euro Aussie, there was a Euro Aussie trade I just showed you here. Short, short, short. There was short up here. This is beautiful short here. Keep going down. Look at the amount of pippage. All of these move like this. On my chart, 20-minute chart is like 100 pip more. Right? 100 and more, from here to here. So this is how it goes. My analysis, most of the time, is right on the dot. And based on that analysis, we have this system which gives us precise entries. When you make an entry here or even here, you don't go negative at all. You just positive. The blue candles goes, and then all of a sudden you have a couple of red candles at the level, or in a situation like this that you already know that euro is getting weaker and this is just a pullback. You make an entry and hold. As simple as that. For example, here, if you make an entry here, because the distance from this black line is too much, then you have to be careful. When you get close to this area into this one, yeah, it's a solid trade. Okay, this one is a shaky trade. Yeah, you can make an entry and then, but the thing is that even if you make an entry, you don't lose anything. Why? Because if you make an entry here, it goes here and you sit on a break even. Even if it bounces and goes back up again and take you out as, break even, what's wrong with that? You know what I'm saying? So this is how it is, and I just showed you how the USDX I'm tracking. This is where we're sitting right now. Where we're gonna go next? The beauty about this is same thing with the pound index and yen index. I have everything covered. For example, yen index. If I know where the yen index is going, for example, yen getting strong, that means yen is always on the right hand side. So you have almost 8 or 9 pairs involving yen. They all will be going down. And you literally will have a situation of pick and choose which trade do you want. All right? Which one you like the best, which pair are your favorite. And you just take those trades. Simple as that. And especially when you see the entry in that direction. Like I said, I just showed you, if USD getting strong and Euro getting weaker, what do you look for? Euro USD short, right? And you found the short entry, then what do? Do you wait for that? No. You just jump on it and take it. Euro yen, same. Euro getting weaker, you jump on it. Euro USD, here I jumped on it. Here I jumped on it. Immediately open a trade, put a SL right above this high, which is usually 99% time is 25 pip, 25 pip, 24 pip, 25 pip. From the entry to this high here. If you're late a little bit, then maybe, you have to pay, have the SL maybe 30, 35 pip. If you're late, you make an entry late. But if you make it a second red candle, the SL is 25 pip. Always. So that's at the risk. And as soon as you are positive 25 pip, you come and sit on a break even. If it reverses against you, break even, no big deal. Sometimes you lose 5 pip, 10 pip, because you keep moving your SL, right? And most of the time, when it runs more than 100 pip, 150 pip, I have trades, 100, 150, 200 pip in pound yen, pound Aussie, stuff like that. Easy. So this is how I'm trading and tracking these indexes, and then this beautiful precise magic IB system. If once you learn it, it becomes very easy. Yes, you're gonna have to watch a lot of videos and spend some time to learn. But my question is, for something that will work for you, make you thousands of dollars for the rest of your life from your bedroom maybe, or your home office, wouldn't it be, it's like worth it to spend some time and learn something that is going to give you like a total freedom, time and money? So this is how it is. And if you want to learn all this mumbo jumbo, go on my website and subscribe and become a part of it. Part of my group. Look at this, man. I've been telling all the way from here that we're gonna turn, and then this thing was keep going sideways, and all of a sudden this big candle that tells me, okay, now it's time to go, because this is ending diagonal, and this is how they break, very fast and furious. And that's what it did. All the way down in a straight line. Boom. Right? Beautiful. Look at that. Exactly at the area. This is a big high here, right? So this is how it is. And like I said, go on my website, subscribe, and let's get started. Thanks for watching. Have a great rest of the week.